Oh, hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy, and today we're having a super fun slumber party with all of our friends.
We're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, read the house down! Hi, friends!
Hi, friends! Hi, Fluffy!
Oh, I am so excited to be here with you all today. Are you all happy to be here too?
Yeah!
What about you, Faye? Are you happy to be together again today?
I am always happy when we are all together. It's my favorite thing. It's just that I have something that I'd like to talk about.
Well, this is a safe space where you can always share your feelings.
Well, I am feeling a little bit scared.
Oh no, Faye. What happened to make you feel scared?
So I was so excited to come, obviously, especially at the fact that we're having a slumber party. And so I picked out my most favorite nightgown. I love, love, love this nightgown.
I'm so glad you chose that one. I love that we're matching.
I know, look at us.
Do any of you have something really cozy or comfortable that you like to wear?
I wear my onesie.
I love a cozy onesie. Georgia, what do you wear at nighttime?
I wear a pajama.
What does your favorite pajamas have on them?
A unicorn.
Unicorns too!
Wow, just like us.
Does anyone else do anything at nighttime that makes them feel cozy?
I do. I have two stuffed animals and I struggle with that.
Aw, how about you, Liam?
I sleep with a small dog and a humongous bear literally taller than I am.
A real dog or a stuffed dog?
Stuffed.
A real bear or a stuffed bear?
Stuffed.
Okay, good.
Thanks, everyone. That makes me feel so great. But you know what? I forgot to bring my sweet pink teddy bear from home, Grumpalina. And I'm just worried I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight without her.
You know, Faye, it's totally normal to be scared at night. I mean, you can't really see, and it's so quiet, and you're usually left alone, except for Grumpalina, of course.
Would you like to see her?
Yes, please.
Well, I always carry a framed portrait of her with me wherever I go.
Oh, she's precious. I love her sparkly eyes.
Faye, see, all of us have stuff that we cuddle with, and most of us forget it. But that's okay. You can always feel that she's in your heart and she's always with you if you ever need her.
That advice makes me feel so much better.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Oh, Faye and Fluffy!
Hi, Moogie. Hi, Fuzz. Where have you two been?
When we heard there was a slumber party, I got really excited, ran to my closet, and started counting my PJs. The purple one, the striped one, the neon one, the tie-dyed one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The counting made me sleepy, and I took a nap.
Oh, so I guess when you count, it actually helps you fall asleep.
Well, what about me? I don't really like the nighttime because I think the dark is scary. I usually snuggle up to my stuffed rabbit, Ernesto, but it takes me so long to fall asleep because Moogie snores so loud.
Huh? I snore? Funny. I never hear it.
Because you're asleep, Moogie. But we all hear it. It sounds like a big choo-choo train. But only when you're very tired. And then between your choo-choos and the dark, I just really can't sleep.
Well, everyone reacts to the dark differently, and that's totally fine.
It is?
Of course! If you think about it this way, When the shadows are with us, it means that the sun is somewhere else in the world, and it's allowing the puppets and the kids to play in the sunshine.
And what the moon does is it helps everything go dark. So it helps us to relax and calm our brain and our bodies so that we can recharge during our rest so that we're ready to play in the sunshine when tomorrow comes.
Fuzz, I'm sorry my snoring is so loud you can't sleep.
Oh, that's okay, Moogie. I'll try your counting trick. Ernesto and I can count all our PJs. That way I can fall asleep before you start snoring. Yeah, come here, you.
Oh, that was beautiful, you two. You look so cuddly and snuggly. Fuzz, you're even softer than Grumbleina. You're gonna have to tell me all your secrets.
Oh, well, it's a simple 22-step haircare routine. I can write it down.
Okay.
Hi, I'm James. Hi, I'm Ryan. We're 6 years old, and this is our bedtime routine. First, we brush our teeth. Then we take a washroom break. Then we get our PJs on.
The 3 pigs ran and fetched a pot. Quick, said
Then we read a story. Then our mom rubs our back until we fall asleep. Good night, sleepy night. Bye.
Are you ready to do the settle down song?
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is The Moon Inside by Sandra V. Feeder. Every night, when the dark entered the house, traveling slowly down the walls and over the floors, Ella grew afraid.
She would take her mother's hand and lead her from room to room. In each room, Ella turned on lights to make the dark go away.
One evening, when dusk was just beginning to settle over the house, Ella reached again for her mother's hand.
The sun is leaving now, Ella said, looking out the window. Yes, said Mother, the sun belongs to the daytime.
The sun makes me happy. Yellow is my favorite color, Ella said. But now, it's almost nighttime again.
Mother opened the door and stepped outside. Do you see anything in the night sky? She asked.
The moon, Ella said, spotting it low on the horizon.
She watched. Fireflies danced over the lawn. They're glowing, she said, pointing, like the moon.
She listened. It's quiet, she said. She heard the crickets chirp and the wind in the trees.
Ella and her mother sat on the porch. They listened some more to the sounds of the night. I like it here, Ella said. Me too, said Mother.
Now on this page, we don't have any words. But what do we notice here? An owl. What is the sound the owl makes? It sounds like we have lots of owls in the building now. Oh, before they went back into the house, Ella looked up at the golden moon. Oh, it's my favorite color. Only quieter, she said.
That night, she turned on fewer lights in the house. She wanted to make sure she could see the moon in the night sky.
Ah.
So, what happened? Is she feeling a little less afraid now?
I'm pretty sure that she was scared at the beginning, and then once she realized that nighttime wasn't that bad, she started to enjoy it.
Yeah. As Ella lay in bed, she knew that she would awake to the bright sun and a brand new day. But right now, she was happy that the night belonged to the moon, quietly glowing through her bedroom window. The end. And that was The Moon Inside. Are you all feeling braver now?
Yeah!
We are brave! Did everyone enjoy the story we read today?
Yeah!
Me too.
Fantastic. And Faye, how are you feeling now?
You know, I'm feeling a lot better now, Fluffy.
That's the spirit, Faye. I think it's time for us to kick off our slumber party. Is everyone ready? But first, remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.
All right, lights out.